Welcome to META Teletherapy. Find META on the App Store by searching for META Student Wellness. Once downloaded, create your account by entering your phone number. Accept our privacy policy and complete your registration. The registration page asks for information to validate the user's association with a partnered institution. Once logged in, it's easy to find providers, hotline info, and tips to get started. Content for Student is pushed to the app weekly through the Buzz feature, which includes topics on stress management, relationships, mindfulness, and common mental health issues. Users can filter providers by how they are feeling or by using advanced filters including language, gender, faith, therapy style, insurance, and providers currently online. Providers are shown with a red or green dot to show who is currently online. You can also view introductory videos to get a sense for the provider's personality.
I am so excited that you're here today because I know
Counselors can be reached in-app via chat, voice, or video calls. No need to jump to a different platform. Chat messages can be sent to counselors at any time. Unlike video conferencing services, a META session has never been hacked and personal information is never shared with third parties. Everything is done in the app, including all communications with providers such as scheduling, payments, paperwork, and insurance info. META is simply the best solution for confidential and secure online therapy.